Welcome to the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO tutorial video. This video shows how to enable the remote maintenance feature. Insert the licensed dongle and power on the system. In the address bar of a web browser, enter 192.168.1.1:30888 or fao.net 30888 to access the home screen of the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO. If the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO experiences a fault that cannot be resolved locally, click Remote Maintenance to open the configuration page. Ensure your DJI FlightHub 2 AIO is connected to the internet. Turn on the Remote Maintenance toggle switch. When the switch turns blue, the remote maintenance function is active. Provide DJI support personnel with your server key, device ID, and password to obtain remote technical assistance. The remote maintenance connection status is color-coded as follows. Gray indicates not connected, blue indicates connecting, and green indicates connected. After maintenance is complete, turn off the remote maintenance toggle switch to close the remote connection. Thank you for watching.